In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your out-of-office status in Webex in just 5 minutes. This feature is a handy way to let your colleagues know you're not available, and it can be set up quite easily. So let's dive right into it. To start, launch the Webex application on your device. If you don't have it open already, you'll find it wherever you typically access your applications. Once you have it launched, Webex will prompt you to log in if you aren't already. Just enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, look for your profile picture. It's usually located in the top corner of the application window. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you've clicked your profile picture, a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Availability. Here, you'll find different options for your status, and what you want to do next is choose Away. Next, look up towards the app header for a section that says Set a Status. Clicking here will allow you to update your availability note. This is the space where you can inform others of your current status. You will see a list of statuses you can choose from, like in a meeting or out of office. However, Webex also gives you the flexibility to set your own custom message, which can be extremely useful for providing more details if you wish. Just type your message in the What's Your Status window. This helps add a personal touch and lets your teammates know exactly why you're unavailable. Now, with your status message in place, you'll need to determine how long you want this status to be active. This is where the Clear After drop-down menu comes into play. You'll see options there that allow you to set a specific time for your status to clear. You have the option to pick a set time, like a few hours or a couple of days, or you can choose a specific date and time, depending on the duration of your absence. Once you've made all your selections, it's time to save your changes. Look for a Save button on your screen. This button may vary slightly depending on the version of Webex you're using, but it's essential to ensure that all your settings are confirmed. Just one click and you're all set. In summary, by following these straightforward steps, you have effectively set up your out-of-office status in Webex. It's an effortless yet crucial task that keeps everyone informed of your availability, thereby preventing misunderstandings or communication delays. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your availability in Webex a breeze.